Hi, so today I'm going to show you how you can make an image button widget in Flutter. So the first thing we're going to do is import the stuff. So import all of the stuff that have been imported in my imports file. But all the stuff that you are needing for this is the material. So I won't show it in your input file. Let me just Flutter material. That should be all you need. Okay, now we're going to create a stateless widget, which is going to be called image button. Then we're going to put inside of that a gesture detector. Inside that, an on tap. In the on tap, we're going to pass in something from another widget because this is a widget that can be used in something else. So let's just do so. So if you want to pass that in, you can make a widget called a void callback, and then we're going to call it action. And you can add it here. Required this dot action. And now here we can just add action. And then in the other, and then when you're using that widget, you can just do where it says action. You can add this, and then in here you can add just stuff like print or whatever. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to add is a child widget where I'm gonna put a clip rect. This means you can add border radius. You can also do this with container, but I usually just use this because I find container, because you have to then with the container there's a few more steps to do it. So again, border radius dot circular. And then I'm going to use 16.0, and then inside there we're going to put a child, and that child is going to be image dot asset. So as you can see here, it can also be image dot network or memory and file. Memory file are kind of similar, so it's basically just from the memory or file. I'm assuming that's on the device. I haven't actually used this one, but on the network, you can just add a link to a picture, and then it will be as part of it, which is pretty cool. But in this case, we're just going to be using image.asset. Let's just go to the assets folder. Let's just use this one. And we can, if you right click on something in Android Studio, you can copy the path or reference, and then you can see path from content root or path from repository root, which in this case is the same. And then we want it as a string, so we'll just put it as a string. And now here we have it. If you are going to be using this, you also have to have inside your pub spectre YAML file. You have to import it. So here you see assets, and then you can import every folder which is inside your assets. So then here we have a working image button. So then you can click on it and it will return something. So yes,